Hey guys, Joe here from Sound Connection in Brainerd, and today we're going to talk motorcycle audio. Here we have a 2020 Road Glide Special with the Stage 3 kit installed in it. And if you check out our website, www.soundconnectioninc.com, you'll find that there's many different varieties of stage kits for all the different motorcycles. So for example, your front speaker system is going to be a Stage 2, your front and backlit speaker system is going to be like a Stage 3, so on and so forth. Now on this particular motorcycle, we do have the Stage 3 kit installed with the front and the backlit speakers, which we'll get into later. But first we want to talk about the tried and true Rockford Fosgate TM400X4AD. With this amplifier in the kit that you buy with it, which is very important, you get this mounting bracket, and on the street glide it's going to go on the top of the radio, and on a road glide it's going to go underneath the radio, and it'll be totally protected from everything. Now on a 14 and up motorcycle, we always talk about a flash, and if you don't know much about that, you can reach out to one of our product specialists and they can explain that to you. But it's very important on all 14 and up motorcycles that we flash the radio so it has a nice flat EQ curve. And with that, in the kit as well is this really nice T-harness. So the days of having to cut open a harness on the motorcycle and hook up an amplifier are gone. Now we can simply plug into the radio, plug into the factory harness, and we've got our outputs ready to go, as well as expansion for a DSR-1. Now that's on the 14 and up motorcycles, and we're going to dive into the speakers and the bag lids so you guys can see how these are installed using your stock bag lids and not having to paint them. Thanks for watching.